The plunger is attached to the plunger rod. It contacts the cap inside the caulk cartridge and pushes the caulk from the tube. The plunger is usually replaced because of accidental damage, such as dropping the tool or something falling on it. Replacing the plunger is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cartridge holder from the caulk gun. Next, I'll remove the plunger. Now I can install the new plunger. I'll place the plunger over the rod. The plunger includes a new screw. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cartridge holder. And that's how easy it is to install a new plunger in your caulk gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.